Carrie. It's opening day at the Everett Farmers Market. We're set up with our new tent, new banner, and today I'm going to show you how to mix your face wash. We sell a wonderful, simple maintenance daily face wash. It's a blend of dry herbs and clays. It's very antioxidant. It's very good for your skin, but we have a lot of questions on how to make it. So we recommend mixing the dry herb and clay with honey. And so previously we had a smaller mixing container, and we recommended 1 teaspoon of honey to 1 teaspoon of your powder. But this year with our new digs, we have a new mixing container, so we're recommending a tablespoon to equal parts honey. So you put your dry powder in your mixing container, you cover it with honey, and the best thing to use we found is like a chopstick or something like that to mix with. So you just kind of fold the honey into the powder, and you mix and mix like you're baking a little cake until you get the consistency you want. You can add a little bit of water, you can add more honey, more powder until you get the paste that you want. Now, today we're running some special deals for Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. We're running a 15% off discount if you buy 3 or more items. And if you buy 4 or more, we'll give you a free roll-on of our Sandman's Gift Relaxing Sleep Oil. So come on down, try some products. We'll mix your face wash for you if you like. Once it's fully mixed, you get a nice paste that looks just like that.